Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to change your Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, to get Visual Studio Code, you have to go to your browser and then search in the URL section for code.visualstudio.com, or else you can just write here Visual Studio Code and you will click on the first website that will appear for you. So as you can see here, this is the website. Here you can download it for Windows, or you can click here if you don't have Windows to install it for macOS Linux or Windows 64, as you can see here. Otherwise, you have here other downloads, or you can just open it on your web or browser. So here it is. Now, make sure guys that you are not confused between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. So this is Visual Studio Code and the software that you are going to use which is blue and has code next to Visual Studio. The other software that you might get confused with, which is Visual Studio. It is a completely different software. The logo is kind of similar, but it is totally different in task and functions. Now, after we've done with that, all we need to do is actually go to Visual Studio Code, and here guys I will show you how to change your Python interpreter. Now, first of all, I will need you to have Python installed in your Visual Studio. So go to extensions, and here search for Python. After that, you will have to find Python. So here we go. So this is Python, and as you can see here, I have already installed it. So all I'm going to do now is actually create a new file, and let's name it tutorial.py. So here as you can see, this is my Python file. Let me just close this, don't save. And now, in order for me to change the interpreter, what I'm going to do is actually click on View, Comment Palette, or just go to Settings and Comment Palette. After that, select Python, select Interpreter, and here you can add another interpreter path and actually change between the main one that you are using now and the new one that you are going to use. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.